Hello all you fine and wonderful people out there. It's Jack again. Not in my workshop today, figured I'd do something else. I need to design up a whole bunch of things anyways, because this is going to take a bit of work. What I'd love to do is I'd love to tell you all about it, but I'm basically prototyping a torpedo, for lack of a better name. It goes underwater and it moves really fast. And it's not manned. I think that's torpedo. You can call it whatever you want. Unmanned drone, underwater drone, take your pick. But I'm building one. From scratch. I bought a big old piece of pipe from the hardware store. And I'm going to use that as my body. And I'm designing up a whole bunch of things on CAD to show you how it's going to have this and that and this and a whole bunch of other little things, but that's just a quick mock-up right there. I mean, this is for the most part what I'm doing right now is just the back end, and then I'm going to print it up because I've got this neat and wonderful little printer that puts all my ideas into reality, which is kind of cool. 3D printer, you call it whatever you want, plotter. I don't know, it's got 100 different names, different places. But we're going to put this part piece to piece. I'm going to head down to the hobby shop and get some remote servos and some power supplies and things like that. And we're going to put it all together and we're going to put it underwater and we're going to test it. And if it works like I think it should be quite interesting. As far as putting me on camera, yeah, it's a person said it's a nice analogy for it. I don't like cameras. I hate cameras. I can't stand the fact they're everywhere. I understand the need for them in certain places, yes, but I don't understand the need for them to be quite so prevalent everywhere. I mean, sure, banks and places like that, like, yeah, absolutely, have cameras. You're at risk. But a lot of places, they just have cameras for the sake of having them, and it just drives me insane. But I don't like cameras, and the analogy that was told to me was it's like when the waiter brings you a hot plate. He says, "Be careful, it's hot." Well, I treat the camera like I treat that hot plate. I just don't touch it, and obviously, eventually, I warm up to it, and if I am touching it eventually. But this camera is just like that hot plate for me, and I don't like it, but I'm forcing myself. We're doing this. We're going to get through this. Eventually I'll get on the camera and you can see my ugly mug. But yeah, for the most part it's just going to be this for now. Stay tuned for more. This is probably going to start becoming a daily thing with me because I have to force myself to do this. Everywhere. I cannot stop the cameras from being involved, so I might as well get used to them. Can't beat them, join them. Yeah, this is going to be fun. Stay safe all. I'll talk to you again soon.